Now we're going to talk about a really fun and interesting section called partial fractions. I really like partial fractions, and typically this occurs in a pre-calculus, no, sorry, in a Calculus 2 class. Usually you learn these concepts when you're doing something else with it. So it's kind of interesting that this book presents it here, which is, it's really worth learning this now. So I can't talk positively enough about it. I think it's great. Then later on, when you're in your Calculus 2 class, you get to do something with this knowledge you learn now. Instead of learning it right at the same time, you're going to apply it. So learning outcomes. By the end of the section, you'll be able to decompose P of x over Q of x, where Q of x has only non-repeated linear factors. Decompose P of x over Q of x, where Q of x has repeated linear factors. Decompose P of x over Q of x, where Q of x has non-repeated irreducible quadratic factors. And decompose P of x over Q of x, where Q of x has a repeated irreducible quadratic factor. So what we mean by that is you're going to take a fraction that has factors or whatever in the denominator, and break it down into a bunch of the sum or difference of a bunch of different factors. So instead of having something over a times b, you'd have something over a plus something over b, for example. So where a and b represent expressions. Okay, let's take a look and see what's going to happen with this in the next video.